In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert RGB to CMYK in Photoshop using the Convert to Profile method. If you're preparing an image for print, this is one of the most important steps to make sure your colors come out accurate and consistent. RGB is great for screens, but when it comes to professional printing, CMYK is the standard. So I'll walk you through the correct way to convert your file while maintaining proper color management settings. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Photoshop guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your image in Photoshop. You can do that by clicking File in the top menu, then selecting Open and choosing the image you want to convert. Once your image is open, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that it's currently in RGB mode. To check this, go to Image in the top menu, then Mode, and you'll see RGB color checked if your document is currently in RGB. Now, instead of simply switching the mode from RGB to CMYK using the Image menu, we're going to use a more accurate method. This is very important for maintaining proper color profiles and ensuring better print results. Go to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down list, choose Convert to Profile. This is the professional way to convert color spaces because it allows you to control how the colors are translated from RGB to CMYK. Once you click Convert to Profile, a new dialog box will appear. This window gives you several options, but we're going to focus on the key settings you need for a proper conversion. In the section labeled Destination Space, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down, and you'll see a list of available color profiles. Here you need to select a CMYK profile that matches your print requirements. A very common option in the United States is US Web-Coded Swap v2. If you're working with European print standards, you might choose something like FAGRA 39. If you're not sure which one to use, it's always best to ask your print provider which CMYK profile they recommend. After selecting your desired CMYK profile, move down to the Conversion Options section. Make sure the engine is set to Adobe Ace. This is Adobe's color engine, and it provides reliable and accurate color conversions. Next, check the intent setting. For most print jobs, relative colorimetric is a safe and accurate choice. This intent preserves in-game at colors and adjusts out-of-game at colors to the closest reproducible match, which helps maintain overall color accuracy. In most standard print situations, you can leave black point compensation checked as well. Once you've confirmed these settings, go ahead and click OK. Photoshop will now convert your image from RGB to CMYK using the selected profile. Depending on your image, you might notice slight color shifts. This is completely normal because RGB and CMYK have different color ranges. Some bright, vibrant screen colors simply can't be reproduced exactly in print, so minor adjustments are expected. If you want to confirm the change, you can go back to Image, then Mode, and you should now see CMYK color checked. That means your file is officially converted and ready for print workflows. At this point, you can save your file in a print-friendly format such as TIFF, PDF, or high-quality JPEG, depending on your printer's requirements. If you want to keep both versions, you can also use File, then Save As, and create a separate CMYK copy while preserving your original RGB file for web use. And that's it. That's how you convert RGB to CMYK using the Convert to Profile method, the correct and professional way to handle color conversion for print. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, print design tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.